Welcome. In this video, we will explore 4 essential network security models that guide how we protect digital assets. Just as architects use blueprints to build a house, network security requires models to ensure nothing is missed in protecting your systems. We'll be diving into the OSI Security Architecture, the CIA Triad, Zero Trust Security, and the Defense In-Depth Model. First up is the OSI Security Architecture, often called the official rulebook. Defined by the ISO, this is a formal framework that explains exactly where and how to implement security across the 7 layers of the OSI model. It focuses on 3 things: identifying security attacks, using security mechanisms like encryption, and achieving security services such as confidentiality. Think of it as the building code for a skyscraper, telling you precisely where to put fire exits and sprinklers to ensure the structure is safe. Next, we have the CIA Triad Model, which is considered the heart of security. The CIA Triad stands for confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Every security policy is judged by how well it achieves these 3 goals. If a system has strong confidentiality and integrity, but the server is constantly down, it fails the CIA Triad Model. The best analogy for the CIA Triad is a 3-legged stool. If you cut off one leg, the entire system collapses. Moving on to a modern standard, let's explore the Zero Trust Security Model. The core principle is simple: never trust, always verify. This means you should trust absolutely no one, regardless of where they are logging in from. This model is crucial because it stops insider threats. Even if a hacker bypasses the perimeter firewall, Zero Trust stops them at every internal door. Think of it like an airport. Just because you entered the terminal doesn't mean you can walk onto the plane. You are verified at every single step. Finally, we examined the Defense In-Depth Model, which advocates for a layered approach to security. The core philosophy here is recognizing that no single security tool is perfect. Therefore, multiple layers of protection are used. These layers act like an onion, encompassing everything from a physical security guard to a perimeter firewall, antivirus software, and the final layer of data encryption. The best analogy is a medieval castle. The enemy must pass the moat, the outer wall, and the inner gate to get to the king, your data. These 4 essential models provide the necessary blueprints to build robust and secure network systems that protect your most valuable assets.